To make the scissors holder, I'll be using these two fabric pieces. They measure 8¾ by 11½ inches. I also have this tab that I'll be attaching to the fabric pieces, and it measures 2 inches by 6 inches. So to start with, I'll be folding my tab into half, open it up and fold the two ends together and fold once more. So I'll be sewing the two long sides together. After sewing my tab, I'll be working on the two fabric pieces. On one of the fabric pieces, I've already attached a medium weight interfacing to the wrong side. So I'll place the two fabric pieces right sides facing, matching up all the raw edges. Then I'll cut out a curve on one of the corners. After cutting out the curve, I'll be placing my tab in between the two fabric pieces. So I'll fold the tab together, then place it in between the two fabric pieces on the curve, like so. So I'll pin it together. Let's do it this way. So I'll be sewing round the fabric, and I'll leave a 2-inch gap at the bottom for turning. So I've trimmed off my corners, so I'll turn it to the right side using the gap I left. I've top stitched on the fabric pieces, and this is what it looks like now. I'll go ahead and do some sewing lines on the fabric just to give it a quilting effect, a quilting look. I've finished sewing straight lines on the fabric pieces. This is what it looks like. Next, I'll take the bottom left side of my fabric and fold it at the corner here, this way. Make sure you line up all the edges. Then I'll take this corner and fold it on itself, this way. So I'll get this. So I'll just pick up the fabric like this. I'll clip this together. To hold it in place. So after clipping in place, I'll be sewing on this edge. So I'll sew the fabric down on this edge. Take out my clips. So this is what it looks like after sewing. So you have made a kind of pocket here. So I'll flip it downwards. So the sewn side is facing downwards and my tab is still on the top left corner. So I'll take the right corner, the top right corner, and fold it this way. Fold it into a triangle as well. So I'll make sure the top right corner is touching the edge while making it pointy on this edge. I'll show you again. So I have my tab on the top left corner of the fabric. So I'll take the top right and fold it downwards to make another triangle this way. So I'll finger press. I'll clip it in place. So this is what you get. You flip this bottom part over the other fabric, like so. So I'll show you once more. So I flipped my top right downwards. I'll take this part and flip it over it. Clip it together and clip this together. So I was sewing down on this side. So you've made 3 pockets for your scissors. So I'll take it to my sewing machine and sew down this edge. And you got yourself a very beautiful scissors holder. So these are the pockets you made. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again next time. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.